In this guide, I'll show you how to use Discord on your PS5. To get started, press the PlayStation button on your controller and open GameBase from the menu. Scroll down until you see the Discord option, then select Link Account to connect your PlayStation Network account with your Discord account. A QR code will appear on your screen. You can scan it with your phone or open a web browser and go to discord.com/activate. Sign into your Discord account if prompted, then enter the code displayed on your PS5 and authorize the connection. Once the setup is complete, return to your PS5 and you'll see that your Discord account is now linked. Exit the setup screen and head back to the Discord section in GameBase. From there, you can start a direct voice chat with your Discord friends or join any Discord server you're a member of and connect to its voice channels right from your PS5. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.